Hi, today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make this simple jasmine garland. Let's get started. It's 16 centimeters long. For this project I use 4 mm crochet needle and 2 color yarns. Let's begin. Make chains of 3 multiples. First row. So make another double crochet on the third chain and double crochet on the next chain. Make 1 double crochet on each chain. Double crochet of this side. Now on the last chain I make a slip knot and turn to the other side. Make double crochet on each chains. 1 double crochet on each chains. Cut the yarn and pull it off. Now I am going to start on one edge with the white yarn. Start with 1 chain, 2, 3. This is considered as 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5. 5 double crochets on same stitch. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches I have made. Now on the third chain, insert the needle on the third chain and pull it, make it a slip knot. Now 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on the same stitch. Now on the next stitch, make 1 slip knot, back loop, slip knot. Stitch also make a back loop slip knot, and on the next loop make a slip knot. Again 1, 2, 3 chains and make 1 double crochet. This is the second double crochet, third, fourth and fifth double crochet on the same stitch. Now again pull up the yarn, remove the needle and insert the needle on the third chain and pull the yarn. 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on the same stitch. Again back loop slip knot, and on the next stitch another back loop slip knot, and on the third stitch make one slip knot. Now again continue the same. Chains and make slip knot on the same stitch. Now on the side, this is the side of my work. Now I am going to make one slip knot on each stitches, side stitches. Right. Now on this other side of the stitch also make one slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3 chains and continue the same process. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make the bud and continue this process until the next side. How it is. Now I have decorated with some beads and crystal beads. Hope you enjoy this video. Please comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.